Hi, today I want to show you an Android app on my Galaxy S2. It's called DroidPainterSimple. The name is a bit long, you can't see the full name on the screen. When you open it, you will see a blank screen and there's a toolbar at the bottom. And I'm going through each single menu option here. So at the beginning, on the left hand side, you will see a kind of file menu, so you can open existing JPEG image as a background for your drawing. But at the right hand side there is a bin, so I'm going to use the bin to clean it. So now the second one is you can open the JPEG file, or you open an existing project which you have saved before. It's saved in PSD format. So if I open a PSD file, it's existing project. You can work on it continually. So the next button is save, and you can save your project in PNG or PSD. PNG is basically exported in bitmap and JPEG as well, so you won't be able to work on it later. But PSD is good if you still want to work on your projects. Now I'm going to the next one. The next one, there's a palette here. So you can select the color. You are able to select two colors. Here is the red one. If I want to select a kind of foreground, but I will show you later, it's not the foreground and background color. So it's red at the moment. I can change it to blue. You can see it, and then I tap on the background one. You can select it, for example, change it to yellow or something like that. You can control with this slider, make it brighter, and change the saturation. So say OK. Now the next icon is a pen brush. So you can select different type of brushes. It's not very easy to see what kind of brushes is good for you. You have to try around, and of course you can use the back button as a undo button. So it's a little bit confusing sometimes. If you try to go out of this menu, you would type on the back button, but the back button is the undo button. The menu stay there. If you want to get rid of the menu, you have to type the same icon again, then the menu will be disappear. The other thing is you can control the thickness of the brush. Now it's smaller, bigger. If you type on the circle here, then you can see you can control the transparency of your brush. This is very light, and you can put it full, and the two color will appear here. For example, maybe there are more. This brush is using two colors. So basically you will see the two color we have selected before. So one thing is also interesting with the brush with text. So if I type, for example, my text here, then you can brush the text, draw the text. If I make it larger, there's a size, you can see the text is coming out here. It's interesting, but I don't know whether it's very useful, but maybe you will find an interesting use for that. So the next one is the zoom. So you can zoom in, zoom out, but I don't think it's very useful because I can zoom in, zoom out by using two fingers. You can move it as well, but make sure you use two fingers. If you move by one finger, then it just start drawing it. it's not moving the screen. So you can zoom in, zoom out, move to different corner. And the next one are the arrow to the left. As usual, most of the application using the same way. Is just undo, redo to go to the right. And this one is interesting. This is you see one line. This is a single line. Let me change the brush to the normal one first. This is one line. Then you can see I'm drawing one line here. But if you tap on it, you can see there's a mirror line. So you basically, it's mirroring your drawing. You can see that. So there's a vertical mirror, and then if you type it again, there's a horizontal mirror. Then if I draw at the bottom, it's drawing on the top. Maybe I will make another video showing how you can use it for your images. So the next one is the layer. That's the most interesting feature on this app. I think it's very useful. Not many apps have this feature. I mean, free app. You can pay for that, but I haven't tested so many apps. So if you type on it, you can see this is the bottom layer I'm drawing, and I can add a new layer. This is another layer. I can select the layer I'm going to draw. Let's say I select this layer, and then let me change the color. Let's change it to red. Now I draw some red on the image. Go to the layer. You can see red is on the top. And after that, I can add more layer. There is a limitation of 3 layers, so you can't add more. But if you need more, when you finish this layer, you can merge the layer down to the one. I got the red one here, blue one. If I click on the arrow here, I will merge. Say merge layer, yes. Then you can see the middle layer come down to the bottom layer. So you can add the third layer again. So if you are running out of layers, then you can merge down the layer. And there's also the feature that you can move the layer up and down, change the order of the layer. Just hold on the layer and then move up until the other layer change the color, and then let it go. Then you can see the layer just move up. Make sure you always select the right layer when you start drawing. It always happened to me that I will draw on the wrong layer. So just be careful with that. The other one is, the next one is, you can see there's an M for mask. You can mask an area for filling the color. So there are different type of mask. This is a free drawing mask. The next one is the square and the circle and all different masks. You can try it. Let's say I mask the circle here. You can see a red circle. I just leave the mask for the moment, and I go to the next one. This is a color picker. So you can see there's a cross in the middle. You move it and your brush color will change accordingly. That's very useful if you already drawn something and then you don't know how to get back exactly the same color. You use the cross to go there and you will already pick the right color. You can continually do your drawing with the right color. So let's go to the next one. That's the bucket fill, and there's a gradient filling, and there's a full color. And let's say if I pick this one, and this is you can fill the back. There's different type of filling. This one is filling the whole background. The other one is filling, basically replacing a color. So it's only fill the area. So like if I tap on it, then it just fill the color. It doesn't go through other area. So let's undo this. And now if I pick this one will fill the whole thing except the area has been masked. So I just fill the area. If I go back to the mask and switch off the mask, you can see there's one area hasn't been filled. So the mask is used for masking the bucket filling. So the next one is, as we already know, there's a bin. Then you can start from scratch again. Just clean it. Are you sure? Yes. That's the next one is leave the application. I really love this app. I have been drawing some stuff on this app. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you some of my images done by this app, and I hope you like them. Thank you for watching. Bye.